हमारे हॉस्पिटल्स में आईसीयू बेड्स वेटिंग पे है, पेशेंट्स के लिए बेड्स नहीं है. इट्स अ वेरी वेरी हेल्पलेस, यानी मुझे इतना हेल्पलेस और लाचार कभी फील नहीं हुआ है. We have to literally manage patients at home with oxygen, and this is not something we are enjoying.
You see, we as a doctor, we as a hospital, we are supposed to give life. If we cannot give them oxygen even, what is the situation? When patient comes to, patient will die. Patient will die.
I looked at packed bodies every day and told myself that I need to stop thinking and keep working. I came back from work and cried about everything I was forced to see. I cried, anxious that I would die just like my patients. My overthinking had reached such heights that I would ask myself if I should tell my parents that I do not wish to be intubated if I were to die of COVID.
इस वीडियो में जिन्हें पीटा जा रहा है वो कोई सड़क का चोर नहीं, एक डॉक्टर. ये बर्बादी एक हॉस्पिटल की हो रही है. असम में एक पेशेंट कोविड कॉम्प्लिकेशंस की वजह से बच नहीं पाए. अनफॉर्चुनेटली डॉक्टर्स उसे बचा नहीं पाए.
गुवाहाटी से 140 किलोमीटर दूर आसाम के होजाई हॉस्पिटल में मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल्स पर मेटल ट्रैश कैंस फेंके गए. उन्हें ईंटों से मारा गया. हमारे डॉक्टर्स का, हमारे हीरोज का ये हाल कर दिया.
Vandalism. This is illegal. This is criminal and this needs to stop.
I was beaten up by a woman's family for telling her to be careful during pregnancy as she was anemic.
"55-year-old Dr. Simon Hercules was one of the most popular neurosurgeons of Chennai. A doctor who had spent a lifetime treating people, Simon on Sunday died after being struck by coronavirus. But the shameful events that unfolded after the doctor's death was a reflection of how society can fail a fellow human being. Hundreds of locals protested outside the Kilpox cemetery and stopped his burial because he had died of the coronavirus. Not just that, they even threw stones at the ambulance which carried his body.
The idea that you could give a joy to a patient just by treating a patient. So that was one of the reasons why I decided that I should become a doctor.
मैंने जब से होश संभाला मेरी माँ बीमार थी. शायद मुझे एक यही फोर्स है जिसने ड्राइव किया कि मैं डॉक्टर बनूं.
The kind of respect that you get and the kind of satisfaction they used to get when they used to come home and they used to discuss some cases, it was amazing.
I was always very keen to serve, to do something for people, and medicine seemed to be very much the right profession to allow you to serve people.